Next we move to investing activities. Investing activities, in simple term we can say investing activity is cash used to invest in and grow the business. Activities other associated with the acquisition and disposal of long-term assets is what we call investing activities. Say for example, purchase of equipment or factory or machinery or land, sale of surplus equipment by the restaurant is coming under the investing activities. Cash flow from investing activities is the section of company's cash flow statement that displays how much money has been used or generated from making investment during a specific period of time. Investing activities include purchase of long-term assets such as property, plant, equipment, building, machineries, etc., or acquisition of other businesses, and investment in marketable securities like stocks and bonds. These are all called as investing activities. Of course, there will be a inflow and outflow, that is positive cash flow or negative cash flow in the investment activities. Investing activities can include purchase of property and plant and equipment, also known as capex. Capex is a capital expenditure, is a one-time expenses. The company will be investing their money for expansion of their business, or for expansion their one particular unit, or for increasing their production activity. For making their operational activity efficiently, the company may purchase some plant and machinery. Then proceeds from the sale of property, plant and equipment. There is any property, plant and machinery is there in the company premises, the company will be ready to sell the assets, through which the company will be getting some amount. That is what we call the proceeds from the sale of property, plant and equipment. Then acquisition of other business or companies, takeover of other business, or amalgamation, merger and acquisition. Then proceeds from the sale of other businesses like divestitures, discontinue of operations, discontinue of any other business. Suppose if the company running more than one businesses, the company is decided to sell one of its businesses. So whatever the proceeds the company is getting from the sale of other businesses, that is also investment activities. Then purchase of marketable securities. The companies invest their money in any investment in marketable securities like stocks and bond, etc. That's also coming into the investment activities. Then proceeds from the sale of marketable securities. So purchase of investment and sale of investments also called as investing activities. This slide depicts the Amazon company's consolidated statement of cash flows. We can look at the cash flow statements. The investing activities of the Amazon is highlighted. Purchase of property and equipment including internal use software and website development, proceeds from property and equipment, acquisition, net of cash acquired and other, sale and maturities of marketable securities, purchase of marketable securities, the investment in marketable securities. The previous one is sale and maturities of marketable securities. The amount received by the company through the sale and maturities of the investment. So this is example of investment activities which you can see from the cash flow statement of the Amazon Incorporation. So whatever the activities which we highlighted in the investment activities, the slides reflect whether those activities reflect the cash inflow or cash outflow. Purchase of PPE including software and website development, that is the company, they invest their money in the purchase of property and plant and equipment, so cash is going out, that is cash outflow. When the company purchase of marketable securities, cash is going out, is cash outflow. Then acquisition net of cash acquired, cash outflow. Then proceeds from the sale of property and equipment, assets are being sold and cash is received, that is cash inflow. The last one, inflow proceeds from the sale of marketable securities, investment sold and cash received, the cash inflow. And these are the activities included which we saw in the Amazon cash flow from investment activities. Thank you.